Hello everyone, we're back for a short video. This is probably going to be 5 minutes long max because this is just a quick errands run. I just got out of the gym and then we're gonna go to the super fancy car wash. I hope it's super fancy. It looks super fancy from the outside. And the sun is actually setting right now and the clouds are looking beautiful, like dark blue slash purple slash pink. It looks amazing, so I'm going to show you a little bit of that. Hopefully there's a better view at the car wash because it's perched on sort of like an overlook, an informal overlook. It's just a shopping plaza, but it's at a higher elevation than most of the surroundings, I would say. So hopefully I can get a good shot of the sunset there. And I'll finally vacuum the back of my car, so there will be no more dog fur, even though I didn't really mind it. And no one that I know has dog fur or cat fur allergies, so we're good there. I'm not being inconsiderate, and I barely ever have people in my car except for me. And then after that, after I do the car wash and the vacuuming, we're gonna go to Walmart to get some groceries shopped and some utilities shopped. I need to get toothpaste and undies because I need new ones. I have some that are literally falling apart. I don't know how to describe it. Falling apart at the waistband. Yes, that's what I was looking for. That's the word I was looking for. Falling apart at the waistband. It's like the waistband is disconnecting from the rest of the underwear. It's because I pull them up a lot sometimes. Not to give myself a wedgie, it's just that sometimes they're a little loose. So then I pull them up and it's just habit, especially with my pants too, because sometimes my pants, in order for my thighs to fit in the pants, the top part has to be a little loose. So I tend to do that and I feel like that drags along the underwear too. Okay, this is too detailed. I don't need to talk about all this. So I'm gonna get undies, I'm gonna get groceries that I need. What else am I gonna do? Oh yeah, and I was gonna explain why I'm finally getting a car wash now, because number one, it's not raining every day anymore. This whole week is supposed to be sunny, and almost all of last week was raining, and a good amount too. It wasn't a light drizzle. It was more like a thunderstorm almost every day. So that was intense, and I was like, it's washing my car anyway. But now I'm noticing that there are some splotches on my car. I feel like it's because of finger oil that some of my friends leave on the windows when they're trying to scare me when I see them. They're like this. And honestly, I'm guilty of it too, so I'm not judging. It's funny and I don't care, really. I can just wash it off, clean it off. And also maybe bird poop that's crustified. That sounds disgusting, I know. But I think that's what's happened. And there's some specks. I feel like bugs, when I hit bugs when I'm driving on the highway, se pegan. Like, they stick onto my windshield. So I'm going to try and get all of that off. Also, the back windshield, I don't know if you can tell. Let me see. I can't even zoom in. It looks cloudy all the time, and I don't think it's the inside of the windshield. I think it's the outside. So maybe there's some accumulated dust on there, along with maybe something sticky that makes it bind to the windshield. I'm not sure. So I'm going to try and take that off at the car wash. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do the manual one where you go under this arch. I think I explained this in a previous video that I haven't yet even exported to my laptop or edited. We're going to talk about that later. Not talk about it, deal with it later. And I'm gonna take the sprayers and clean my car manually. And also the vacuum is right there too. I think if you wash your car that way, you get a free vacuum session. So I'm gonna do that instead of doing the automatic car wash. And plus that's a little scary, not gonna lie. I'm over it now. In the beginning I was like freaking out because it felt like my car was being thrashed around. But it's not much of an issue now. I'm kind of over it. But at the same time, I'd rather not have that feeling. So I'm going to do it manually. And I get to control more. I like being in control when I can. So I'm going to do that. Vacuum. Groceries. Go home. Shower. And Who knows what else? I'm trying to identify that accent. My mom is really good at identifying Latin American accents. I'm not that good. I hear a Central American accent and I'm like, Central America. And that's it. I can't specify whether it's from Guatemala or Honduras or El Salvador, but my mom is almost 100% accurate. That's a gift. All right, let's go, and hopefully I can get a scrumptious, luscious, highly visually pleasing shot of the sunset. I'm here at the auto spa, and I have no idea where to pay for this service. Let's just start. I don't see a place where you can insert your card or cash. Never mind. I think this is just a vacuum station. Finally getting rid of this. We kind of missed the sunset because we were so busy vacuuming this car, but we still have to go through the car wash, so this isn't over yet. I kind of saw peaks of the sunset, not that much though, unfortunately. I wanted to embrace every single second, but I couldn't because I was so busy, and the sunset lasts only like 15 minutes probably, or less. It feels like much less. I feel like I did this backwards. I noticed that most people are coming from the car wash into this free vacuum area, and that's probably why it's free. So before I get in trouble, I'm just gonna go straight into the car wash. Bougie. We're going through it. This is spooky. So spooky. So spooky. No. This is so loud. Oh my goodness. I'm inside the mind flayer right now. I cannot. My automatic instinct is to run away, and I can't do that. My car is getting beat up right now. Even the loading process was spooky because I had to turn my wheel all the way to the right, and then I had to put my car in neutral extremely quickly. It was all a blur. I feel like it should be easier with today's technological advances, because my car was not feeling right when I was doing all of it. Drying process. You see a little bit of the sunset, huh? Whoa, never mind. I think it's time to go. Relax. I'm trying. You see, look. I definitely have to clean the inside portion of the rear windshield because it still looks a little cloudy. And for some reason, my right side mirror is bent backwards. So we might have a lawsuit on our hands. I'm just kidding. I don't think it's that serious. I'm gonna check right now. This is what it looks like. See how it's bent backwards? Just snapped it back into place, so we're good. I'm glad it was a simple fix. So I don't have to keep coming here for plant-based alternatives. Stocking up on frozen veggies and these fake meats. Now I'm looking for my nut butters. Found them. I'm gonna try this flavor. After 100 years of searching, I found the one. At last, we're gonna find our Hello toothpaste. I get this one instead of the other ones, mostly because it prevents cavities and strengthens enamel. I'm just gonna get another one so I don't have to buy one anytime soon. Stocking up. There's this bag around my back windshield wiper, and I feel like they put it on before I went inside the car wash, but to be extra safe, I'm gonna use this to take it off because the world is a dangerous place. Let's see. Put it on like this. Squeeze. Take off. Throw in garbage. The car wash staff probably put it on to protect it from those aggressive brushes inside the car wash. So it's probably nothing bad. But that story of the woman getting poisoned because someone put a napkin in her door handle that had poison on it was chilling, and I don't want anything like that to happen to anyone. You have to be careful these days. People are sick. Who would even come up with that idea? Let me put poison on a napkin and put it in someone's car door handle so that they can get poisoned and end up in the ER. A random person too, unless it was targeted, but still. Why would you do that? Sick people. We're gonna go home now. We're done with errands for the day. It's quite late and I'm hungry, so we're gonna go home, eat dinner, and take a shower, prepare tomorrow's lunch. There's actually a lot left to do. I'm gonna be positive about it because we have to go home, eat, prepare food for tomorrow because there's nothing left for meal prep. Actually, there is rice and that's it. I'm still missing the protein and the vegetables for tomorrow and following days. So I'm gonna have to prepare that tonight. And I know what I'm gonna make. It's probably gonna be kale with chickpeas together, 2 in 1, and then the rice too on the side. And I'll pack that for lunch. I'll eat my last meal prepped meal tonight. So that's all good. And then I'll take a shower, get ready for bed, maybe start watching. Oh, it's Be Real time. If you all have Be Real, you know when you get that notification, you gotta post. You want to be on time, you don't want to be late. So I'm gonna have to hurry it up with the talking. Okay, what else do I have to do? Yes, get ready for bed. Maybe start watching episode 9 of season 4, which is the last episode of the season of Stranger Things, I think. I'm finally at the end. I blew through it, and to be honest, it's probably because I was multitasking through all of it, and I forget people's names. I haven't been paying attention to close details like I usually do, but honestly, I don't have enough time to be paying close attention to anything that's not work or important priorities in my life. I have many other ones, not just work. That's why I'm not even bothering listing them. All right, I'm gonna do my Be Real, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.